Hey, what's up, everybody? How's everyone doing? Hopefully y'all been good, being safe out there. I know I haven't really uploaded in a while, but today I'm gonna talk about the truck finally. I know somebody had asked about the back setup, so I'm gonna talk about that right now, and kind of build something in the meantime for the truck. And right now I'm gonna turn on the white truck in the back, so I can kind of simulate how this truck would sound if I had like a LS motor with a cam in it. So I can also give you guys an idea, and let me know what y'all think, because I'm thinking about doing that. What y'all think? Something that aggressive or less aggressive? I think it will sound badass like that, just the way the other one sounds. I'm gonna give it some gas. Hey, I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna talk about the truck a little bit now. Let me raise it up so I could get underneath there and show you guys what the setup looks like. Alright, so starting off, the wheels are 24 by 15 MTW twisted. I had to cut the rear end 8 inches per side because of the big wheels. This is a 5-gallon tank, 2 Vire compressors. I have some half-inch SMC valves back here to release the pressure on the back airbags. This kit, I bought it at Extensive a while back. I'm gonna say maybe 6 years, 7 years ago. I can't remember, honestly. It came with plastic, not plastic valves, but plastic lines. You see that line in the back? That's aluminum now, but it used to be like kind of like a PVC kind of deal, and I didn't really trust it, so I went ahead and got them done in an aluminum. Those shocks, those just like not even like good shocks. They're like Gabriel brand or something like that. I think I bought them at AutoZone a while back, which I need to replace. I did 373 gears. Can't remember if it's posi. I don't remember. I don't think it is. Anyway, this is a tooling kit. Well, it was tooling kit, but I didn't like it. It came with a panhard bar, which made the wheels kind of tuck in whenever I lowered the truck. And when I raised up the truck, the wheels were kind of like sticking out. It was just dumb. I don't know why they made that setup like that. I don't understand. And I didn't like it, so I took it to some guy that he changed that panel hard bar for me. And what he did is that he boxed up my frame. You can see on that side it's kind of boxed up, and then he did like this cross member here, and then he did this bar here. I think he called it ladder bar or something like that. And now it just raises up and down the way I think it should. My exhaust setup, Flowmasters, I don't know what series they are, but they're old school. They've been on this truck since I bought it, and I think it sounds good. Two-piece drive shaft. I need to redo the air, I mean not the air lines, but the wiring on this truck is pretty old. And at one point my dog had puppies, and the puppies were underneath the truck and they were chewing up on the wires. So I know some of them are already pretty chewed up, so I need to get those fixed. The front setup is stock control arms, and it came with this plate, kind of like a cup deal, so where the bag sits it just doesn't go anywhere. I still have the stock spindles, which I need to change. I don't need to change them, but I want to change them. Maybe like a 2 or 3 inch drop. That way I have less camber on the wheels whenever I drop the truck. You can see the tubs there. Truck's still full of spider webs. 350 motor, 350 transmission. Yeah, I don't think it's a 400. But yeah, one thing I didn't like about my airline on this spot, because you can see it a lot. I think the guy that did it for me, he could have at least tucked it in some more towards the frame. But maybe, I guess he thought the body mount was in the way or so, and he did it over here. Also because the valves are on this side too. These are the ones that release the air pressure on my front bags. These are 1/2 inch also. I know there's like 3/8 and I think a 1/4 inch, but I didn't want those small ones because when you hit the bags on those, they're like tss. And with these it's a lot louder and psh, 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 like that kind of noise, and that's what I really wanted. The little black PVC lines are the ones that show the air pressure of the bags on the front and the back. So this is the type of line that I had originally instead of these, and I kept these because I mean they just pretty much show the pressure of the airbags right there. So if I get down, if I go up, here we go. I still need to clean the interior, still haven't done it. I still need to get the wheels polished the right way. But in the meantime, what I was doing, I was building this kind of like a porch, carport kind of thing. I already have my 67 underneath there. I need to clean up on the left side so I could park this blue truck in there. Yeah, I know I need to clean up all that junk that's right there, load it up on the trailer. So this 20 by 24, I had my brother help me out, so appreciate you, Big Chewy, the guy with the Fords. That's my brother. I need to do a concrete slab here, so any of y'all in Houston that does concrete, hook a brother up. Let me know how much y'all charge me to do this. 20 by 24. I need to do that. I want to do like a little, like a sideway over there, like a sidewalk kind of thing. I want to redo my driveway. So hey, if you do concrete, give me a good deal, man. We're making business. So yeah, let me clean up all this mess that I got there, and I'll park the truck in there because we do have an overcast the whole week coming up. It's supposed to rain a lot, so I definitely want to get this thing in use and protect the truck. So yeah guys, it's pretty much clean. I really need concrete though, so if anybody out there does concrete, hit me up. It's about to start pouring. I need to get the truck in here. Ya está tronando. I was able to put the truck inside before it started raining. What do y'all guys want for me to do to this truck? What do y'all want to see done on it? Or this one? One of them is gonna have to have an LS swap regardless. For sure this one. Still debating on this one. But after hearing how that one sounds in the background and made this one kind of feel like it had a swap for a little bit, I kind of want to do that too. I don't know, I'm still debating, but I think for sure this one's gonna get a LS swap because I don't like that inline 6. And I'm still thinking about this one. But yeah, I wanna bring it out, drive it around. And I have another truck that you guys are probably gonna be upset because of the way it looks right now, but it's actually under a carport, and it's been under a carport for months, but it's probably gonna make you guys upset. And I'll probably make a video on that one soon too, so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. And if you think I know which truck I'm talking about, put it on the comments. So that's it for today guys. I'm all sweaty. This is the second shirt I wore today because the other one was all drenched in sweat. Hopefully everyone stays safe. I know y'all got that stimulus check. I better save your money, man. Stop wasting it on truck parts right now. But anyway, y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.